So guys, I will show you in this video how you can fix your Apple Studio display not working. Now, first of all, what you want to do is make sure that it is plugged on at the mains plug socket, and then once you do that, you should then see an icon that looks like this. Now, if you just let it load up for a couple of seconds, you will then see this right here, which is telling you to plug something into the Thunderbolt port. Now, if you do not see this, the likelihood is that your device is bricked and your studio display is actually fully broken and not working and will need to be repaired by Apple. If you do see this, that is good news, and all you need to do is plug something into a device such as a MacBook, a Mac Mini, a PC, or whatever device you are using to power up your Apple Studio display. So all you need to do is press something in there. So if I just go ahead and plug something in, as you can see, once you plug something in, it should then display something on there. But if you do not see the icon that we saw before, that will mean that your device is actually not working. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix your Apple Studio display not working.